Welcome to you all. Welcome the beautiful ladies of India and Omaki. And welcome everyone. No. Welcome everyone. We are here today because the prince will choose among you who will be the future queen of India and Omaki. So without wasting much of your time, let me ask the prince to choose from among these beautiful ladies. Prince?
My son, the beautiful maidens of this kingdom are here to showcase themselves to you. I know you can see them. I will make the choice for you. And I know you trust me to make the right choice.
Mother.
Yes, my son.
I am sorry because my heart belongs somewhere else. Ebuka. Yeah. Take me away from here.
Jidana, where are you going?
Son,
Father, please.
Son.
What can I do for you? Have you seen it? Oh, beautiful maidens of India and Oma Kingdom. We are so sorry. Some days are like that. Just bear with us. Bear with us. Hi.
Igwe, how can you have a son, yet you are entrusting a contract this big to your ordinary prime minister?
I am not having this conversation.
You are! Igwe Kwedike, the fourth of India and Oma Kingdom. You are having this conversation. Ono is supposed to be your advisor, but somehow he makes the rules and execute them. My king, is Nollywood the king? Is it Nollywood that got married to me, your
Don't provoke me further!
Sorry, Your Highness. I just want to know if... Come on, get out! Out! Nonsense! Igwe, my son will come back and take over that contract and the entire affairs of this kingdom, and that is final.
I'm sure you're not blind. She needs our help. I want to help her up.
You won't dare. What kind of friend are you? You cannot even stand up for your friends. What is wrong with you?
Please, no way you both are unnecessarily wicked for no reason.
Please help me.
This woman is a witch, and all she's seen now are what she deserves. If you dare, Adake, raise this woman up. I and Didier will beat you up.
Not only
mercilessly.
After dealing with you, not even recognize your face again.
So we'll do nothing. We'll just stand here.
How can we do nothing? No, we will do something now. Hey! Wait, come and see witch. You come and see witch. She has fallen, finally. Wait,
Sorry, Mama. Help me with her leg. It's bending. My leg is bending. No, my leg is bending. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Mama, sorry.
Thank you.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you.
It's okay. Mama, sorry.
What is the meaning of this rubbish?
What rubbish are you talking about? Are we the one that pushed her down?
Exactly.
Are we?
This woman here is a witch who gave birth to her fellow witch. And you, Very soon, your own wrongs will catch up with you. Who knows? Your almost might even be blindness, Onyema.
Or even death.
God forbid! You both should just stop already. What has this poor woman done to you people to deserve this extent of cruelty?
Just wait.
It's enough that you people refuse to help my mother. But sprinkling salt in an already open wound is much more than I can bear. I've heard of all the wrongdoings you have meted out on my mother. And I've been storing this hatred inside of me. And it's time I unleash that hatred on you both.
You're just coming back.
Mama, Mama,
Ignore them.
I have ignored them enough. No more. No, I won't take it this time.
Amanda,
this is too much.
Amanda, you will do nothing. You
can
do nothing.
Amanda can do
Yes,
nothing.
you can do nothing.
Mama, this girl, for what? Mama,
Amanda,
too much. I cannot take it anymore. This is too much. For what now?
please, just calm down.
It's okay.
Amanda,
It's okay.
we're just coming back.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. Adako, thank you so much. Thank you. Please just go with the bike to our house. Okay, okay, please just take her to our house. She'll show you our compound. I'll give you the money when I get there. I'll win my mother home. Take this. I think it's fell off.
I need to go and take.
Mama, when you allow evil, it keeps happening.
You will kill somebody. You will become mad.
Mama, they are lucky. They are so lucky.
I need to take my
I didn't know I would meet them on the way. I would have killed somebody today.
They say that when you read a smash together, it forms. Our son, we all know, Kingsley, who traveled overseas so many years back. And we thank the gods of this land for granting him safe journey. By coming home, he came to me and has promised that he wants to start doing major projects like building of boreholes, building of schools, hospitals, and human infrastructure. And I said, this is something good. It's something that all of us need to, have with our arms open, isn't it?
It is very good. I'm going to say it's not good. It's good. It's a welcome idea.
My king.
Yes.
Our great king. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. At least, this is the best news I ever had in recent times in this kingdom. Hey! May the gods of this land bless him. Multiply him. Follow him.
Hey, my people, I greet you all. You see, this great kingdom deserves the kind of development he promised.
Exactly.
And if something like this happens, it will bring a positive turnaround to the people of Nigerian Nollywood
That is very, very true. Your Majesty,
Hey,
Your Majesty, the gods has finally heard our cry by sending a helper to us, our own son, to come and develop this village for us.
Iwe, I beg to dissent.
Huh?
Yes. Even if I am the only voice, only dissenting voice, I must be heard. This is not right.
Huh?
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no! What do you mean? Did you actually understand what the king said?
Ever before your father married your mother, I have passed my passing says. You asking me if I understand what the king is saying?
Yes. Did you understand it?
Now will you shut up? Shut your mouth. I don't know what you are saying. How dare you? See, it is people like you, simply because Kingsley came back from overseas with dollars,
Maybe he has given you a pittance and you are jumping up for him.
Hey,
listen, no, listen. Igwe, this is very, very suspicious. How can Kingsley come back from overseas, little boy like him, all of a sudden, he is developing tarring road and putting electricity? No, it is suspicious. If you have spiritual eyes, you will understand that this is a Greek gift. Oh yes.
Oh no, what can you do? Yes. No, it's like you're a witch in this kingdom.
Yes. Oh yeah. Kobo.
If you understand what I'm saying, Igwe, if you understand what I am saying, you will understand that this is not ordinary.
No. Is right.
My king.
This meeting is over. I want to have a private word.
No, Fekadikunu, you don't know that Kingsley is contesting his throne. Yes, he is planning to take over it from Igwe.
Igwe.
Hi.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Hi.
Oh no.
Hi.
So what? This Kingsley is suspicious. He is eyeing your throne. That's why.
I can't believe that the king will give a thought to what Ono said. Talk more of believing him.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this, my elders. A boy came down to this village to use his own money to better this kingdom. The king said no because of Nollywood instructions. Hi, Mbano.
In the chair. My fellow elder.
Mbano.
See, what I am saying, this king, why will he consider Ono's voice as law in this our village? It's like Ono who has tied the king to his fingers. And this is not good. It is sickening. It is sickening. Why? This village, we want to move forward. But because of Ono, no. What is it? I can't just believe this.
The pigeon will come to us. The pigeon will come to us. Let's be going.
This kingdom must work. We have many enemies, but it must work. It has been my prayer. All through the night, I was praying for this. Your Majesty. Greetings.
Hello, greetings to you. Greetings, my king. Greetings, Uno.
Oh, the most beautiful maiden of Nigerian Kingdom.
I can see you are set for the meeting.
Yes, I'm already running late. In fact, the chairlady of Umada has been buzzing my phone.
I see.
Yes.
Sorry, if I may hear you well. You say you are stepping out of this palace for a meeting elsewhere?
Yes.
But it is never done now. For crying out loud, this is a palace. Let that meeting hold in this palace. Tell them to come here. It is not possible. It's not done.
The queen is right.
Yes. I opted to join the Omada. Yes, oh no. I am not the uptight queen who sits on high horse and refer to other commoners as nothing. I have decided to go there to grace their meeting and to encourage them for the good works they are doing.
Oh, Your Majesty, no. You see, this meeting, how can a queen sit with commoners? Just sit with commoners over nothing. It is wrong. Let that meeting be here. The river does not flow backwards.
Yes, Ono is right. If you must attend that meeting, they have to change the venue to the palace, so you are going nowhere. All right?
My king, but this wasn't the plan.
I have spoken on this. Go back to your chamber. Women with a few man. I have to keep with those on her.
He will try to make her see reason.
My king, what was the meaning of that?
Meaning of what? You know who was right after all.
I can take Onowu interfere in the matters of this kingdom, but I will not have him interfere in the matters that concern I and my household. I can't even believe you bought the idea when you were the same person who advised me to join the Omada to go and grace their meeting.
Oh, enough of this, woman! Enough of it!
What's that mean? I'm asking you, what is that supposed to mean? It's just you and I in this room. Who are you searching for?
I am searching for my husband. The man I got married to. The man that makes a word and stand by it. Obviously, this man before me, who swings like a peddler, is not the same man I got married to. Who listens to the Prime Minister, whatever he says. It is not the same man I got married to. It's Onowu the king.
Ajamade, ibiago kwilu aza, nkimere juoyi, ilukwasakwa aza. Ajonye, ibiago kwilu aza, nkimere juoyi, ilukwasakwa aza. Ebere mmadu anemekwa gị n'obi, aleli mmadu anemekwa gị n'obi. Ebere mmadu anemekwa gị n'obi.
Yes, I have to be very fast. Listen, the queen is becoming a barrier to our plans. So if you ask me, it is time to take the obstacle out. Yes. Okay, it's fine. Anything, just let me know.
Snake in green grass, evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave.
Rogo twin with Siri boy report with Ta
Kosisi. The great Kosisi. Nothing stops a river from flowing. Anything that does is swept away like a shaft before a mighty tornado. A child that has been beaten by a venomous snake fears any hanging rope or the rag. Anywhere. Okosisi, I bow and tremble.
A bird that perches on a ant hill thinks that it is comfortable at where it is and above all dangers. Not until the ants attack it is failure. Take this. Drop it bit by bit. The cockroach that graze the gathering of the chickens won't live to tell the story of what transpires.
Thank you. It won't be.
Mother, why is your face like this? What's the problem? What is wrong? Is everything all right over there?
Mother, that is not possible. It is obvious that you're taking this too far. I mean, the Prime Minister is the personal advisor to the king. If he brings a good idea and my father buys it, I don't see a problem with that. Mother, I'm coming back soon, okay? I just have some few business to run here, and once I'm done, I'll come back to Nigeria. I know you miss me, and I miss you too, Mom, and I can't wait to see you. Alright, Mom. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye.
Greetings, Chief Maiden of this great palace. Please, how may I help you?
From today, there will be a slight change as regards to how food will be served in this palace. I'll do the serving, and you will only help out when I ask you to.
But I think it's my job to serve the royal home.
I just made a law, and if you disobey me, you will have the whole royal family to contend with. Dish the food, leave it here. I will serve it myself.
What was Chinelo telling you about?
My dear, she said that henceforth she'll be the one serving the royal home.
What's that girl up to?
I thought you were sleeping. No, Mama. I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking.
Thinking? About what?
Mama, I'm a graduate. I studied medicine. I've done my clinicals and I've also served my country. But there's no job. I just feel like I'm confined to this village. There's no... What do I do, Mama? There's no hospital here to even work. The only hospital that is even manageable is far off from this place. Mama, I do not want to be far from you.
My dear.
Mama.
I'll be fine. Okay? You know, I was even doing well in my business while you were in school. See, remember you once told me of your dream of building a hospital in this village when you are done with your studies. Please don't give up. You know, don't. Okay, see what will happen. Why not join me in my own business? For now. And then till when you come up with something better to do. What? You know,
Yes, Mama.
Let's be managing my own business for now. Oh? God will make a way for you.
Snake in green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me? In this life, the person that is close to you.
Go to the store and get the stainless tray for me.
Makonye no man so na nisi they are here to destroy and kill. I'm weary family. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free.
But why was it not the royal chef that served this food?
Because I asked her not to. I wanted to serve you myself. You know I derive so much joy serving you, my queen.
Well, you're just like your father who always have the interests of the kingdom at heart. Well, you're not aware that I'm allergic to citric acid. You just served us orange juice. I'm not a fan of it.
The juice is for the queen.
Oh, really?
Yes. Water is just perfect for you.
All right.
Thank you. You may leave.
This is good.
Yes.
This is the perfect way. I don't like a lot of spices. This is natural.
I know you will love it.
Yes, I know. Oh, they didn't tell you? The palace cannot function without me. I am in charge. Yes.
Nai, I have one question to ask you. What are you and our daughter, Chinelu, planning against the royal home?
Please, let me call you back. And what is your business in whatever I'm planning with Chinelo? What business of yours is it? Okay, let me answer you. No, let me answer you. That we choose not to involve you, doesn't that tell you that you are not important? That we don't need you in the matter?
Okay, let me tell you, whatever you both are planning will never work. The royal home has been extremely good to us. And to pay them back, you are planning evil against them? Ha! Nine. Wepa Akana and Joe. You evil man! Change from your evil ways.
Thank God you know that I'm evil. Yes, thank God you call me evil man. You know that I'm evil, though it has not been proven. Anyway, let me tell you, if you don't keep your tongue in check, you lose your head. And the rest of your body will be useless to you.
Hey, God forbid.
Says who?
No evil fashion against me shall prosper.
Says who? That is why you go about and the daddy Gio will be deceiving you that no evil fashion against. Let us wait when evil will fashion against you. Let us see how evil will stand. Nonsense.
Evil man. Change from your evil ways. Eh? Before you and your fellow evil people will
Let me get you.
Remove your hand from evil. Evil man. Change your ways. Change your ways.
Hey, yes. As I was saying, nothing goes on in that palace without my input. Sorry, don't mind about my tone. It was a family pressure. Yes. Ademma.
Snake in the green grass. Evil people everywhere. every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me? Ayayaya, oh, oh, no matter who me, ayayaya, oh, no matter. Where do you know me? Ayayaya, oh, no matter who me, ayayaya, oh, no matter. Oh, chiju, ayayaya, oh, no matter who me, ayayaya, oh, no matter. In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nani they are here to destroy and kill our family. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free.
What do you want from me? Prince Jidena of Nollywood Kingdom. The eagle have finally landed, not to catch a prey or kill it, but to defend it from the claws of its predators.
Who are you? I remember the Ezemo of my kingdom.
The sincerity and allegiance and spirituality of Nollywood Kingdom has been compromised, and it sent forth blindness to you. But I neutralized it before it could go to you. You need to act blind until the prophecy is completed, and your parents should not know about this. Until then, you will know.
I want to buy charcoal.
Okay. Charcoal Legone, how much on?
200 naira.
Okay. There is no charcoal 200. Charcoal is very, very expensive. Huh? There's no charcoal 200, but let me see what I can do for you. Who will help me? Huh?
I'm coming.
Help me. Oh, let me find. Oh, no. Help me. Oh, help me.
The wind has fallen. No, God said the wind has fallen. The wind has fallen. It is ego, man, not okay.
How many times have I warned you to stop causing harm to my mother? By the time I am done with you, you realize that this one you're treating like a piece of trash is the reason why I exist.
You cannot do Amanda.
I cannot do anything.
You do not win.
Who Amanda cannot do anything?
Yes. You do not in Amanda. Do your voice. Amanda.
Igwe! Hey! I am happy about this news. This is the best thing that will ever happen to India Noma. Yes. Igwe, as it is now, our youth will have a well-paid job.
You can say that again. Your Highness, this is what we have been waiting for. And this awaited company will bring development in this our kingdom. May the God of our land be praised. He says, at least our youth, we see a place to work and earn big money.
Igwe, I am thinking that we...
Oh, no, wait. I don't think you should contribute in a matter like this. Yes! Don't contribute in a matter like this because this is exactly the same thing you did when Kingsley was trying to do something like this and you spoiled everything with your presumptions.
And yes! You spoiled everything with your primitive mind. Put it negative instead of it to be positive about it.
Hey, shut up! Says who?
Oh no.
Says me. Listen, this is a gathering of men. And when men are talking, women will just sit, listen and be entertained. That's all. Before I was rudely interrupted by these loafers. I am just suggesting you give me power to represent you in this matter. You know, having been so good at land matters.
Oh no!
Listen to me. This is the last time I will sit here and I will see you brush my Ono off. I am going to let Ono spearhead everything as far as these contracts are concerned.
Doesn't matter. I've spoken. I'm still there. Hey, Obago. Hey, Obago.
I have spoken of this matter.
Igwe, how can you have a son, yet you are entrusting a contract this big to your ordinary prime minister?
I am not having this conversation.
You are! Igwe Kwedike, the fourth of Nigerian Kingdom. You are having this conversation. Honor is supposed to be your advisor, but somehow he makes the rules and execute them. My king. Is Nollywood the king? Is it Nollywood that got married to me, your...
Don't provoke me further!
Sorry, your highness. I just want to know if... Come on, get out! Out! Nonsense! Igwe, my son will come back and take over that contract and the entire affairs of this kingdom. And that is final.
Snake in the green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Are you normal?
I should be asking you that question. Why are you sneaking around the palace like an abnormal person? What exactly are you up to?
Listen, if not that you are second in command of the maids in this palace, I would have put you in your place. Mind your business. Do you hear me? Mind your business and stop following me around the whole place like a lost puppy.
Whatever your plans are in this palace, I'll find out if that's the last thing I'll do.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no madinsa, nani siyezea. They are here to destroy and kill. We're family. No matter what they do, because we never allow you're free. Because we always forget it's all because we always say.
Son, you better believe it. When I told you that your father gives Ono with too much privilege than he deserves, you thought I was making things up. Now, have you seen it? Have you seen it, son? Son, you need to come back and take up this contract and the entire affairs of this kingdom from your father. Because if this continues, the kingdom will sink. Okay, son. Thank you so much. Alright, son. Bye. My queen, I heard your voice and it's very obvious you are upset. So I decided to get your favorite orange juice just to calm your nerves down. Leave. I'm sorry, please. I just have a lot on my mind. I'm sorry. Let me have the juice. You have the weight of the whole kingdom on your shoulders. I am very sure it's not an easy task at all. Thank you. I'm just doing my job. You may leave. Okay.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nani sieze. They are here to destroy and kill our family.
Papa, the cricket has been forced out of its hole under the scorching sun.
What happened?
The prince is coming back to oversee the affairs of the contract and the affairs of the kingdom.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nani sieze. They are here to destroy and kill our family.
Ego, did you hear the sound crash?
Wait. Adako, what did you just call me? Ego.
What's funny, Ego?
Ego, what?
Ego.
No!
Sean.
No! You should address me properly. As Her Royal Highness, Her Royal Majesty.
I sound Pepe.
Don't you know that once the prince returns to the village, he'll get married to me and I'll be your next queen? See, you need to be on your best behavior because of them, no? Well, I am just so happy that I came back to this village.
So what then becomes of me? I think I'll marry the prince then. Consider you as a second wife.
So you girls are arguing over a prince that is not yet back to the village. Well, I'm interested in the prince too. What? My man! Well, if you're in your best behavior, I might consider you as my right hand maid, as you'll be following me everywhere and anywhere I go to.
Or better still, banish you from this village.
Bam! Oh yeah. Wait, you see this particular one he said, I support you. Banishment! Banishment! Are you telling you know? Yes. Banishment!
Mother, it's like this thing I started having issue.
Don't worry, I'll get you a better one when I start working, okay?
Thank you. Mama, hey, this thing is disturbing us. I hope it will not stress you. Give your body pain. Huh?
Don't worry, Mama.
Can we rest? Let's just rest.
Hi.
You've tried.
Case to tweak, Bella.
These are the issues, Mama.
This community leader, they don't want to put this work on this road.
Mama,
very bad.
Don't worry, very soon I'll earn enough money. Hey. And I'll buy you an electric chair instead.
No.
Mama.
Didn't you hear what the time crier said today in the village? Huh?
That's nice. They've been improving that.
My favorite.
Oh, go ahead. What is happening? What is happening? What? Guys! Guys! Guys!
I strongly believe that Chinyere knows about the Queen's sudden illness. Let me rephrase, I think she has a hand in the illness.
What are you talking about? Wait, how did you even know about that?
Have you not been seeing what is going on in the palace? First, she told the royal chef that she'll be the one serving the royal home. And she's been doing just that.
We all know Chinelo. She loves serving the royal home.
There is more to that.
My
There is more to
hand, my leg is not involved. We never had this conversation. I don't want any problems, so I beg.
Papa, I am at the hospital.
Are you alright?
Ah, yes, not me. It's the Queen. As I'm talking to you, they are conducting some tests on her. Papa, what if they find the substance that I used to poison her? They will know it's me. Honestly, Papa, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
No one will find out anything. Medicine has no business with spiritual things. Keep your mind calm and focus on our mission, which is to continue poisoning her.
Okay. Okay, Papa. I'll talk to you later.
You'll be fine, okay? I don't know what is wrong with this trip. It's going slowly.
Good day, my king. Good day, doctor. My queen, I can see you're recovering. Oh, that was nice.
So what's the test result all about?
The test result came out negative. There's nothing wrong with her.
Oh.
Just a little bit of stress, but she'll be fine.
Oh, thank you so much.
So I will discharge her letter today. Yes, definitely. Thank you so much. You're welcome, man. Yes. If you need anything, just call me. Alright, I will.
You can do the view. Thank you. Yes, what they done this. You'll be fine.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, my queen. I brought food for you.
I am not hungry.
You need food so that you can take your medication.
I don't want to eat. You may leave. Take the food along with you. The smell alone wants to make me vomit.
Take the food away. And to take your drugs without food.
My king, I'll be fine. Okay?
Be fine.
Mother, you look so pale. Have you been taking your medications? Mother, I don't like the way you are looking at all. I don't like it. I will drop everything I'm doing and come back to Nigeria this weekend, Mother. You don't look good at all. No, Mother, I insist. If it means flying you overseas for treatment, I will do that. You know I'm concerned about your well-being. Please, take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you soon. I love you, Mom. Alright, bye.
My queen. You look so healthy and so strong today.
My dear, I feel stronger than a rock today.
I can see that.
Yes.
But my queen, you have not been eating well. You really need to eat so that you can finish your medication and make sure the sickness does not come back again.
I will. And thank you so much for all you do.
My queen, I am just doing my job.
My dear, you are doing more than your job. And I appreciate. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, just have a sip of this. It's your favorite.
Thank you. It's alright. My favorite, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
I want you to take a gulp or two so that I'll be sure.
Do not worry. I will. It's my favorite.
Please, ma, I insist.
It's alright. See?
Alright. I'll take my leave now, ma.
You may leave. Thank you.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so They are here to destroy and kill. I'm very family. No matter what they do, the gods will never allow them to go free.
What is happening? My queen!
Answers to the Queen's strange illness is far away from the eyes, neither can the mouth speak of.
August, what are you talking about?
The gods are silent.
Because I don't understand this. Why would the gods be silent at this point in time? Or do you mean that the queen will continue to be in and out of this sickness?
I am only but the mouthpiece of the gods. What the gods whispered in my ears, I speak.
So my wife should ill and die. Focus.
Where am I?
Because we're always indicate His own people. Because we always say His own
Hey, hey, son.
Father, your son is back. What?
Son?
Mother, I'm so happy to be back home.
What happened to him?
I met him this earlier.
Where's my mother? Where's my mother?
It's okay.
Ebuka! Hey! Oh my God! Ebuka!
That's my wife.
Where's my mother?
She's currently asleep right now. I checked her vital signs and I discovered her blood pressure is so high, and it's because of a high level of stress. She needs lots of rest right now if she must recover from this. And I actually prescribed some medications for her to take. I gave it to Chinelo.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I need you to brief your consultant so that they can facilitate things, as it were.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Okay, I'll take it.
It's okay.
Papa, I'll soon be going back to the palace because I have a lot of things to do. But I just want to ask you one question.
Sure.
The prince's blindness. Do you have a hand in it?
What do you think?
Papa, I know you are very mischievous, but I want to hear it from your mouth. Papa, Mania.
Jesus answered his disciples, you said so.
What do you want me, great Okosisi, to do to Jidena, the prince?
Okosisi, I want him dead.
No!
Okosisi, kill him for me, kill him.
You can't kill him just like that. He is royalty and under the protection of the gods. Exactly the reason we could not kill the queen. That is why we have to poison her so that she can die slowly and slowly. You know this.
Then make him blind. A blind man can never be our king. He will be useless all his life.
Consider it done.
Okosisi moketegete anakpọrọ nkuru eju ọnụ ọ gị bụ ude n'akalaka na-amapụ ozu afọ asị ka agbara agbara si mana ọ ga-ebu nna gị. Hey, the great man, the great dibia.
Hey, Papa, you are too much. You are too much. How do you do it? Eh? How do you stay one step ahead of everything?
Trust your father. I am the master himself, the Machiavelli himself. You see, with his blindness now, he will not be able to see anything about the land. He won't even notice when we signed the deal we undertaken about the land. And also, let me see how you come and assume the throne.
Hey! Hey! I heard everything. So you are responsible for the priest blindness. Hey! How wicked can you be? Eh? Someone else's child. Someone else's only child.
One hand. If care is not taken, you look for your head and you will not see it. It must surely happen in this compound.
Papa, Biko.
What me?
Papa, she's your wife. And she's my mother. You cannot kill her. Eh? Biko, don't walk to go there.
What else can you do? What else can you do if not to kill and destroy? Just like your mentor, the devil.
Wait there. Oh no, can I say what else can I do?
So many people are suffering because of you. Just like Oninechi, when you crippled. When you crippled, she's suffering because of you today.
Mama, no, close your mouth. Mama, we must have the talking. Chinowayo.
Because let them hear. Let the words hear me out. Makana nige them again her plan.
Hey, Mama, I'll talk to you later. Mama Sukwani. Mama Kopuraye.
Gaba. Look at what you're teaching your daughter. Eh? Just go and buy musu. Go and buy musu.
Monitoring spirit. You will continue to monitor until you die.
God forbid.
Chichi, it won't get into you.
Remove your hand from evil. Evil man!
Mom, stop crying, please. I'm not dead. I am seated right next to you.
Remember what the doctor said. He said that you needed all the rest. What you're doing now can only help induce the stress. Stop crying.
How can I rest when my only son is blind? How can my mind be at peace when the only eyes I used to see has been plucked off? Why is all this calamity befalling my household? What sin have we committed for the gods to visit my household with this kind of doom? Why?
Mom, please.
Oh, God.
You need to stop crying, okay? I know I might not be able to see it, but I can feel you. I can feel you, Mom. Please stop crying.
Son, it's not the same thing. It's not the same. King, it's not the same.
Do you know that the long-awaited prince came back blind?
How will I know? When all these abroad young babes involve themselves into so many things, I guess he involved himself into so hard drugs that affected his brain and his sight. How am I supposed to know? Am I surprised?
What is it?
Now buy charcoal.
No, you're not buying.
Now small money, cheap well.
And so?
Kerosene don't cost though.
Passy.
This one they catch. Now no one charcoal.
They go fast.
We no one buy. Bye. Why is she dropping on us? Eh? Is she a spy from the royal home?
That's our business.
Go now. Go. So I was saying.
Let's rest before we climb up. We have a small hill here. Thank you very much. I cannot thank you enough. What would I have done without you? Today. You came and rescued me, packed my things, and even bring me home. You've done well. Thank you.
Amanda.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. Eh? Your late husband was my husband's junior brother. Which means that your late husband was also my husband. Eh? It's the least I could do.
It's not every woman, every of your mate that can help you.
Eh? You are my husband's brother's wife. Eh? And Amanda, who has gone to supply charcoal. I couldn't possibly leave you there. Considering the fact that the weather have changed and rain will soon fall. Eh? Okay.
Amanda. Hey, what? Hello? Hello. Ha! Hello, I'm at home now. It's your auntie, Manelo came to my rescue. She came and packed everything inside. She even wheeled me down to the house.
Oh, yeah.
No, Onwal. She tried. Okay. She said she wants to speak with you.
Oh, Ezibonwa. It's fine. It's fine. You don't need to thank me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my dear. I hope you're on your way back home. Because I want to go home to cook. Oh? Notaba only. Notaba.
Okay to go.
Okay to go. Kaiba. Let's go inside. Don't worry.
Ajamadu, ibiago kwilu ọzọ. Nke mere ji onyi, ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ. Ajọ onye, ibiago kwilu ọzọ. Nke mere ji onyi, ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ. Ebere mmadụ na-emekwa gị n'obi. Alemi mmadụ na-emekwa gị n'obi. Ebere mmadụ na-emekwa gị n'obi.
My queen, you're not only a friend to me, but you're like a sister to me. I won't deceive you. You are doing yourself more harm than good doing all these things.
Or do you want to cry yourself a river and drown yourself away? Your son, the prince, is not dead. And you are grieving like you lost someone.
What did you say?
Do you mean you didn't hear what I'm saying? This is more serious than I thought.
So that is it. The man said that whatever made the AK a successful day was somehow found in the area. All over here. So, are you with us?
Father, I am blind. I am not deaf. I can hear everything. Father, I need to go out to catch some fresh air. I feel like I'm choking in here.
No. Son, you cannot do that. Considering the fact that you are
because I'm blind, Father. Right? Father, I promise you I'll be very careful. And Ebuka will aid me out. Ebuka! Sorry, my prince. Ebuka is not here. Go and get me Ebuka immediately.
Yes, my prince. Sorry.
Igwe, the prince is not a little boy. He is not a tata. That he is blind does not make him any less a man. We can take decision. Allow him to go so that we proceed with our meeting.
Medicine student selling charcoal. At least I'm doing a dignified business, aren't I? Unlike you, that goes around the village jobless. Let me ask you, Ego. What do you do? I want you to scream it out loud to the villagers. What do you do, Ego? Nothing. You go around the village gallivanting and gossiping with your friend.
Look, you still have mouths to talk. You were a disgrace to education.
Me?
Yes. If your mom knows how useless you would have become, she wouldn't have bothered training you in school. Look at you.
You girls should just leave Amanda alone. Be cool. Leave her alone.
Ada, shut up. I said you should shut up.
Shut it.
Amanda, the witch. See, Amanda, you can keep on this pretty face and be deceiving people that you're a good person. I know who you are. And I know how evil you are, Amanda the witch. Amanda the witch! Oh, Amanda, yes, Ego, I have put you in your place. People know the name of that name, Ego.
Look at her. I will not.
Amanda the witch! You want to beat us?
Anything.
Do you want to beat us, Amanda? Do you want to beat the deal of us? No, come now.
You cannot do anything.
You will do nothing, Amanda.
You will do
nothing. You will do nothing.
Ebuka, what is that noise?
Some village girls bullying and harassing Amanda.
Who is Amanda?
Amanda is the daughter of the late Ono. Her mother is crippled and she's selling charcoal at the village market. You don't have to worry about it. Let's go.
Ebuka, stop. Stop. I said stop, Ebuka.
You will do nothing, Amanda. You will do nothing, Amanda. Amanda the witch. 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 Amanda the witch.
Nothing about that. Stop it. What is the problem?
My prince. She's a witch. She killed her father and crippled her mother. She's a bad woman.
Yes, my prince. She's evil. If you know how evil she is, you would have even called her Born the Witch by now.
My prince, that's a lie. They just love bullying her.
Eh?
You love bullying her.
We love bullying her? Seriously? Don't worry, calm down. You will see what bullying really looks like now. Yes. Calm down.
Hey, stop it! Stop it!
No, my baby, just leave.
Stop it, Ebuka! What?
You're a witch! You're a witch! You're a witch! Oh my God!
Ebuka!
My baby, I'm so sorry.
What?
Hey! Hey!
Are
out of your mind!
Witch! Evil we said it!
Are you out of... What have you done?
Hey, stop it! Clean it up!
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop it!
What's that your name? Amanda, right?
Amanda the witch!
You will pay for this.
Yes!
You will pay for...
You will pay for that! Wait!
Debuka,
Wait!
what happened? What happened, Debuka? I think you need to calm down.
My prince, thank you for saving me from those rascals. As for your clothes, it was not intentional. I'm truly sorry. Forgive me.
It's alright, I understand. Amanda.
My prince.
Can I ask you a question?
Oh, go ahead. At least I owe you that much.
Why did they say you killed your father and made your mother crippled?
The thing is, my father died mysteriously. After I'd finished my secondary school, I got a scholarship to study abroad. On the day I was to leave, my mother had an accident that made her cripple. I struggled to go to school, and now after my NYSC, this is me.
Wow. What a sad story. I am really sorry about that. But Amanda, I want to tell you something. It's not your fault, okay? And do not mind them. Everything will be alright.
Thank you, my prince.
Ebuka.
My prince.
Please take her wheelbarrow. Put it inside the boat. We need to go see her mother.
No, my prince, that will not be necessary. This is school. It's
Please, okay? Ebuka, take her wheelbarrow.
You don't talk like that to the prince, okay? He has the final say. Did you get it?
Okay. You can go inside the car and sit down, okay?
Mama, where are you going to? Is it not ugly? He came to told me that those useless, those bullies are beating you again. They are fighting you. I said, let me come and stop them. And I'll what has come over them?
Calm down. I dealt with them already.
I hope you're okay. They don't want you, eh?
I am fine.
Where is your wheelbarrow?
It's in the prince's trunk, Mama. Yes, Mama. That's the prince. He was the one.
Take your hand. Who's this one? Huh?
Mama.
No.
How are you?
I'm fine. But I can't say some about you. Because I heard that you suddenly went blind. You suddenly went blind. An agile man like you, full of life. Why did the devil decide to visit you? I don't know what you have done for the enemies to come visiting you. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Ebuka, take me home.
My prince, why you? Why you? Why you?
Let me get
Hold on, fast.
Hey! Therefore, you are a liar. You are a liar. Iwalaka. Whoever that did this to my prince will never go unpunished. If you are late, because you know, if I stay one place, it will be shaking up and reverse me, just to be reversing me. Adam, let's be going. Let's be going. You want to fight my daughter? I want to put her and to herself on. Useless children. I'm going to shop. Shop.
Hold on, Odili. Hold on.
Wait, Mama, wait. Odili, you don't know how to push this. My daughter know how to push it.
Odili, can you hold on?
Mama,
can you wait?
I'm angry already.
Why you angry? Calm down. You talk too much just now in front of the prince. Hold on.
Sorry, Mbabi, push him.
Let me remove you from the break first.
Okay, ma. Push him. Push him. No one can access him.
Please, Odili, don't mind that. Just wheel her back to the shop. Yeah, wheel her back to the shop while I.
If I'm the prince, I could have strangled that girl. I could have disfigured her ugly face for ruining my clothes. Anyway, I don't blame the prince because he wasn't aware the girl have already spoiled his clothes.
For someone who doesn't even know what is white, she does not know that the prince is putting on white to start. Can she mention between black and white?
Why do you love bullying Amanda?
I said it.
Why do you love bullying her? Yes.
How?
Or do you feel intimidated by her? Yeah, tell me now, because I don't understand. She's from a poor home. Her parents suffered and struggled to see her through school and graduated. Unlike you, Ndidi. Your parents, they don't have money. And that's why you dropped out, you all know. And you, Ego.
That's you want to say it. Yes, say it. Come closer.
Calm down. we know that you repeated class multiple times. Yes, and your parents, they got fed up and
they got fed up.
And they stopped paying school fees.
They stopped paying my school fees.
That's why we are here.
So they stopped paying my school fees.
Come back here! Don't go back here! Tell me that rubbish. You see her? I don't even blame her.
This girl, let's go.
Let me walk like her.
This girl don't get sense.
The king has put me in charge of everything land matters in the kingdom. In fact, I'm in charge of that land as we speak. Everything concerning land is under my portfolio. In fact, he's even angry that you people are offering 600 million. He said if it is not 700 million, it is nothing. See, why not tell me that you people are not serious? So that I will thank you for wasting my time all this while. And wasting the time of the community. Do you know what you stand to benefit from that land? Look, apart from that land is on site. That land has mineral deposit buried under it. There is gas, there is oil, even coal, everything you can think of is in that land. Yes, the white men told us some time ago that we have minerals under our land. And now I'm trying to do you a favor. You are supposed to be thanking me. Eh? 650 million. Anyway, we can manage it. We can manage it. But remember, the first installment will be paid into the community's account. Then the rest will be paid into my own account for security purposes. Yes. For the letterheaded paper. No, the letterheaded paper will be in the community's name. Forget about that. I know what I'm doing. I'll be expecting the alert. Chinelo mam, Chinelo I am we are rich. Yes, the people, they have agreed to pay that money. They have agreed to pay that amount. As I speak with you now, we are met. No, Mbana, it's not yet time. Remember, you are there for a purpose. You are there on a special assignment. Yes. What happened is that once this money enters into my account, I will use just a fraction of it to go around the community, the kingdom. I will bribe whoever is bribable. When I bribe them, I will get them into my side. You know what? So even the king said the stool, the one of the leg is even checking.
Evil man. Your plans this time will never work.
Will never work, as if you will not partake in that money when it comes.
Fiakwa, I will never touch your evil money. Ego Obala. Haven't you observed that this time around, I don't ask you for money anymore? Your blood-stained money. I will never touch it. Ego Obala. Fiakwa.
No wonder Aristotle described you people as moblet. Keke engine brain that is powering Dangote trailer. You cannot function. You people are senseless. If I had known, I wouldn't have gotten married at all. Because this type of person that is my house is Mufutum factor. It's a foolish factor.
Mom. What happened? Why the change of clothes?
Mom, it's alright, I'm fine.
Huh? Son, I'm here, my son. Be careful.
Your Majesty, the deed is ready. Yes, this is it. In fact, everything is perfectly in order. I have gone a step ahead of your expectations. The only thing that is remaining is for you to append your royal signature here, authorizing the people, the delegates that will come for land inspection, to know the number of years they will have that land on lease. That's all that is needed. So you can see everything is perfectly ready. We are good to go.
So, take it easy. One step at a time. Easy. Yes. It's okay. It's alright. Ebele, tell Ebuka to get the prince phone immediately. Hurry up! So.
Father, I am fine.
Take it easy. One step at a time.
I will append my signature on this so that the project can go out.
Jidena, what is the problem? Eh? Why are you this sad?
So, talk to us. Did anyone disrespect you or make jest of your situation? Just let me know so that I will severely punish that person.
No, Father. Nothing of such happened. I saw the wife of the late Onowu. She's crippled.
Onowu has been crippled for years. Is that what is bothering you?
Yes, Mom. You know, it reminds me of how vibrant and full of life I was before this blindness. And seeing her condition hurts me so much. I feel so bad.
I don't want you to be at this stage of genuflecting your conscience because of this. You need to be strong, not only for this family, but for the entire kingdom.
You know what, son? You need a bride. That way, so many negative thoughts will be off your shoulders. Yes.
Mother.
Yes, son.
Who will want to be with a liability like me?
Son, don't talk less of your personality. You are the next in line to sit on the throne of our fathers. However, I'll do the needful.
You heard what you had to say. Everything will be alright, okay?
Okay, Mother.
It's alright.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Good day, sir. Please, is your mother at home?
Please, your mother ordered for charcoal. Please, I've brought it. Can you call her so she can come and collect it? Her money is 4-5.
Jesus Christ!
Oga, is there any problem?
You are in this village, and Nnamdi don't know. Look at how beautiful and adorable you look. Tell me. Wow! Well, anyway, you too fine. But let me tell you something. Your baham and the frontal is finer than you. I must tell you, it's a good compliment.
If you are done with being a comedian, please let me call your mother out, so that she can come and pay me for the coal. That's her coal. Thank you very much.
Yes. Talk of my mother. Yes. She gave me the money to give to you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but she has gone to the market. So what we will do now is, before we give you the money, I want you to come. Let's just go inside so I can feel you, and you can feel me. You understand? You like it. I'm telling you. You get it. Let's go.
It is obvious you are high on cheap drugs. How dare you say such disgusting and demeaning words to me? Are you stupid?
It's me, Namdi, you're talking to.
No, your ancestor.
Look at this girl. Because I want to help you. A girl I want to help her life.
Oga, give me my money, I beg. I don't get time for plenty talk.
I won't fit for me, no. You are forming for me.
Just pay me, let me leave here.
I beg, I saw come out here.
What?
I'm not giving you the money. Yes. Leave this place.
How dare you call me a prostitute? Are you mad? If you try this nonsense next time, I will show you how to treat a disrespectful idiot like you. Manhole, he goes. Yeah, Amanda, you think I'm here for you to disrespect me? I will teach you how it is to respect a woman. Disgusting human being. Amanda, you can keep the money for all I care. What did you see? Amanda, you just love my man. Amanda! Amanda, you just love my man. Amanda, hold on. Amanda, just hold on there. Amanda, don't let you hold.
No, Mamola. This girl, Mamola. Hey! Oh, Mamola, man. Namde. Coordinate. Calm down.
Stop this miserable Ego. Since when have you grown breast to start even misbehaving when you see me on the road? Listen, the next time you try to stop me, you see this is my wheelbarrow, I'll use it to overrun you. You don't know me.
Well, Amanda, that you will never do. In this your miserable life, not in the next. Now answer me. How dare you lay this your cursed hand on my man? What's so funny?
You call that thing a man? You see why it's good to go to school? It's good for it to be literate. Yes. That thing, a man. No wonder they say birds of a feather flocks together.
What do you mean, you lousy? What do you mean by birds of the same feather flock together? Well, I do not want to know. I just guess you tried to seduce him and he refused it since you're obviously not his type of a girl. You're just big for nothing and you slapped him. Anyway, I just confirmed that you don't only sell charcoal, Amanda. You also sell your body, which is not a bad thing. Nonsense.
First off, it is not birds of the same feather. It is birds of a feather flocks together. I
do not care.
Learn that. I know, illiteracy is a disease, so you should learn that, right? Secondly, so in this tiny, whiny little pea brain of yours, you dumb skull, you think if I want to seduce a man, is that loser I'm going to seduce? I don't have that time. A man in his 30s, still living under his father's roof, eating food prepared by his mother. What a laugh. Newsflash. That idiot, that he-goat, was the one who tried to sleep with me inside his house. A girl he has never met before. For the very first time that he's seen me. His he-goat thing is already standing. He was trying to sleep with me. And you're here, calling him your man. With pride. Ego, you should hide your face in shame. In fact, I think I should give you some charcoal. Grind it and rub your face in shame. That thing, a man. Listen and listen good. Once you leave this place, go back to that idiot, that nasty thing you call a man. Tell him, or in fact, go there and tame that dog in heat. Because the next time he will try such idiocy, I will definitely put him in his place. I won't warn you next time, and I won't warn him
Like
either.
I said,
Called birds of a feather flocks together. I know you did not go to school.
You ain't go to school now. Do I blame you? See her head. I don't blame you.
You did.
See, wait, I don't understand all of this thing. Ego, what's all of this bullshit? Ego, why
you pestering me around? Like a sense of fly. What's this? All of this things now?
What kind of the same question is that one now? Are you not my boyfriend? So I'm allowed to follow anywhere you go to.
Me? Your boyfriend? How? I don't understand. What do you mean by me, your boyfriend? Look, let me tell you something if you don't understand. What I had with you was just a one-time fling. And that's it. Snap all of this out of your mind. Do you get it? Eh? Stop making a fool of yourself for God's sake.
Now you're the one making a fool of yourself to think Ego will leave you for another woman. How can you say I'm mother for the very first time and you want to sleep with her? How many more girls do I need to fight because of you, Namdi? Must you sleep with everything on the skirts? Must you?
Wow, now I understand where this is coming from. Amanda, right? Wow. Talk about Amanda. That girl, I think that girl should be the girl I should settle for.
What?
Nothing more, nothing less. Yes, because she has the front, the back, and the curvish kind of shape. So, let me tell you something. Amanda is the girl I want to settle with. Amanda, baby. That's the girl I want to settle with. Do you know the reason? She's hardworking, and you're not! Yes!
Namdi, that will never happen. You can never leave me, Namdi. It is me or no other girl.
Really?
Yes!
Is that what you say?
Yes, Namdi!
Alright, fine, you can take the door. I'm done with it.
Namdi! Namdi! How many times did I call you Namdi? Namdi, you will not leave me for another woman. Not in this life, not in the next one, Namdi.
Amanda, that's the girl I want to settle with! Yes! Do you understand? Because she has all the whole curves I want as a man.
So what happened to this one?
Hello?
Is this one not coffee enough for you, Namdi? What happened to this one? Is not coffee enough for you, Namdi?
I have eaten it. I don't want obono. Now I want uha.
Is that uha that will purge you, Namdi? That uha will purge you. Uha. Come and eat and let me see you.
I want uha.
Where are my customers? Today's charcoal is nice. Ebe fan ogas. Afia o. Ayo. Afia o, afia. Aha. Today's one is nice. Why are you angry? Why is your face like this? Who provoked you? Okay.
What
Somebody help me, my leg. Somebody help me, my leg. Money, la baba ya na baba money. Ibala makete. Money na help me. Mama, okay, mama. Okay, mama. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. My leg. Mama, what happened? Hi. Okay, Chalo, wait. What happened now? Ego. Finish me. Ego, finish me. Ego, no, brother. Mama, chalo. Want to go munka? Malonka na nyama sobo. Kana nyama sobo. Jidele mi kono. Oh, kapo. Easy. No one is spending me. Sorry. What happened here? Mama, what happened here? Mama, what happened?
Thank God you are here.
Mama, what is going on? What happened? What happened?
Ego came and beat Mama up. Not even beating Mama up. Ego came. She pushed Mama down. What? Look at everything. Just look at everything.
You mean Ego did all of this?
Ego did it.
That's fine. Hold this back for me. I'll be right back. No, come back, please.
Mama, leave her. Mama, leave her.
Please.
I don't want trouble. See, they invited trouble, so we welcome trouble.
No, I don't want problem.
We welcome problem, Mama.
Go after her.
Mama, but if I go after you, we'll be after you now.
Hey, I'm gonna
Stupid, disgusting, and a silly girl. Where is she? Oh, she had the nerve to even spread this stupid, dirty, irritating clothes of hers. Eh? She had dirty idiot clothes. Stupid girl. Ego! Ego, where are you? Come out and face me! Why are you hiding behind shadow? Ego! Hey! If you call yourself a woman, face me! Stupid thing! Silly idiot! I am ready for you! Ego!
I'm very, very hungry. Where is he? Normal!
Ewo, Chimu. Ha! Oh my goodness! Who threw my expensive clothes on the floor? Oh no, Remy! This must be the handwork of Amanda. It must be that devil who will have the mind to throw my expensive clothes. Clothes that she and her mother put together cannot afford. Does she know how much this clothes cost? Don't worry, Amanda, I'm coming for you. Amanda, you stupid girl, I am coming for you. Amanda, come and face me! How dare you throw my expensive clothes on the floor, Amanda? Amanda, very great.
You have not told me what you went to Ego's house to do. You haven't told me what you went there to do.
Mama, I didn't do anything. I simply left her a message. Whenever she comes back, she will meet the message I dropped for her. Yeah. And when she dares to even come to me, like I know she will, I'll be here waiting. I'll do that thing I've always had in mind. Yes, Mama.
Amanda.
Mama.
Amanda.
Mama.
Amanda, please. You know that girl is worrisome. I don't want you to incur her wrath on us.
Mama.
Because,
can you calm
down?
Come
to think of it, I thought you have lived all this your life of quarreling and fighting in the past. Why did you go and pick it up?
Mama, I stopped it. But of course, you know I used to be a street fighter. Yes, growing up I was a street fighter. But some people will not just let me be. I decided to even stop all this nonsense because of maturity. But some evil people will not allow me be. They will keep testing my patience. They want to know how feeble or how strong I am. For what? Now, is it because of my body size or what? Mama, I've decided to give everybody energy for energy.
Take me home, please.
Amanda, I don't have strength for quarrel. Amanda, you daughter of a witch. Huh? How dare you go to my compound and mess up my expensive clothes? Clothes that you and this your wretched mother put together will never afford and can never afford. And how dare you insult my mother in my presence? Are you stupid or something? Don't you have a brain? You don't have an old woman's picture in your home? Don't you have a single atom of respect in your body? You know what? Mama, no. I've been condoning this nonsense, but enough is enough. It's time I teach this stupid girl a lesson. At least when I am done with her, Mama, that picture will be stuck in your brain. So whenever you see an elderly person along the road, you will respect them and you will remember this day forever. Okay? Not today. No, not today, please. Amanda, let me go. Amanda, please. I need to Mama, don't let see your thing.
Ego, I've told you to leave Amanda alone. Eh? If you would have listened to what I said, all these things wouldn't be happening to you.
Shut up, Adako. Why will she lay her filthy hands on my friend? Why?
Don't shut me up. If you're the one whose mother was beaten, and Ego didn't stop at that, she poured water on their charcoal, their means of livelihood.
Look, she deserved whatever she got for trying to spoil the relationship between Ego and him. So, of course, why not?
Which Nnamdi? Which Nnamdi are you talking about? The same Nnamdi that don't care about Ego. Eh? Okay. I even heard Nnamdi will be traveling permanently to the city Yes, to join his uncle in his mechanic business.
And I could stop. Let me leave my hand. Please, don't worsen my wounds with your lies.
Ego, please, you need to report her to the palace. You need to do that. What is all this? She needs to be taught a lesson.
Ego, I'm just giving you this advice. And please listen. Leave Amanda alone, Ego. Biko, leave Amanda alone. Bring your hand. Let me just do this thing I'm doing.
Easy! How can you take it easy? No, you now just want me to go to the carry it and pour on my body. Add to my own pain.
If you say I should pour,
pour her the hot water now.
I don't want to pour, but if you say I should pour, let me just...
You...
Let me help you.
Don't touch me again, please.
Ego is here to see you.
Oh, later.
Yes, my queen.
Okay, this is this. I'm going to take this.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to you?
My queen, it's Amanda, the daughter of Onyinye. The woman who sells charcoal. The late Onowu's daughter.
What? You mean Amanda did this to you?
Yes, my queen. She has been bragging about graduating before me just because I dropped out of school because my parents couldn't afford my school fees anymore. So I decided to confront her and she beat me up. She broke all my bones, my queen. She hit my head on the ground. And did not stop there. She went to my house and beat up my mother.
What?
Yes, my queen. She even tore my expensive clothes.
Amanda. I am shocked.
Simia, my queen. I am shocked too. I can't believe that she could go to this extent just to get back at me.
God.
Yes, my queen.
God! Go and summon that maid to this palace immediately.
Yes, my queen.
Now, greetings. What is the palace guard doing in my compound? I hope all is well now.
There's no problem. The queen asked me to summon your daughter right to the palace.
Hey, my daughter. Huh? Please tell me, is there any problem? Huh? Is there any problem, Pico? Huh?
I don't know, Nne.
I would go with you. Mama, I'm sure Ego has gone to report me to the royal hall.
Hey,
Mama.
This is not good at all. This is trouble.
Mama, a clear conscience fears no accusation.
Hey.
I'll be right back, okay? I won't be long. Take care of yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Have a nice day, Nne.
My God will go with you.
It's a...
Greetings, my queen. Keep your greetings to yourself. How could you be this wicked and heartless to do this to your fellow maiden? All because you're a graduate and she's not. And when she confronted you, you did this to her. Beat up her mother and tore her clothes. How could you?
My queen, forgive the fact that I stand before you for such a case. But I promise you, my queen, I did not.
Amanda, shut up! Stop playing the victim here. Just
admit that you hate me, you beat me up, you beat up my mother. Just admit it. My queen, she's lying.
My queen, everything she has told you are lies. My queen, she was the one who threw my mother on the floor, proceeded to beat her up, also poured water on our charcoal. My queen, for the longest of times, Ego has bullied I and my mother. But today's own was too much. I just could not take it.
So why didn't you report to the royal home? I would have locked you up in the royal dungeon till you starve to death. But I wouldn't do that. Because of old time's sake. And as for you, all this should stop. You maidens should respect yourself and stop all this nonsense. You may leave, Amanda.
I'm truly sorry, my queen. Excuse me.
Amanda, you're a good girl. Do not let bad people bring out the worst in you. Because at the end of the day, they have nothing to lose. Keep being the good girl that you are. Okay?
Thank you for your kind words, my prince.
Good. How's your mother?
She's doing okay. And she'll be really worried about me now. I beg to take my leave, my prince.
Okay.
Do have a nice day, my prince.
Thank you. Extend my greetings to your mother.
I will.
Amanda! Amanda!
I knew you were lying. Because if I had put my full weight on you that day, trust me, you will not survive it. Trust me, you won't be alive to even carry this your disgusting hand to tie that bandage around your head or even your hand. Yes, so you have the nerve to carry my name to the royal home to go and lie, eh? Just thank your gods and thank your stars, okay?
Amanda, the war between us just began. You think you've gone free just because the queen was sentimental about her verdict? Of course not. You should watch your back.
If you try this nonsense next time, I promise you, I will forget about the royal home. I will beat you blue, black, and bury you, and make sure that none of your carcass is even found. Do you understand me? Don't try me next time. Do you get it? After I do that, I will damn the consequences that follows after. Just watch me. Try it and see.
Then we shall see. Nonsense. This stupid girl, look at her. I don't blame you. Let's see.
Mama! Hi. No. Mama. You are welcome. Welcome.
Hi. I've been worried. Huh?
Mama.
How did you go?
Mama, you don't have to be worried. But Mama, can you imagine that ego girl? That stupid girl went to tie bandage on her head. Hey, Mama, even on her hand. She lied to the royal home that I beat her blue black, that I even broke her bones, that I even went to her house, beat up her mother, tore all her clothes to shreds. But Mama, I promise there's no iota of truth in what she said. I promise.
Sure you did not touch her?
Mama, will I lie to you? I can't lie to you.
Is she that bad?
Mama, that girl is rotten. She's the definition of rotten. Huh?
Hey, but my daughter, why did you allow that demon to bring out the beast in you?
But
why?
Mama, at times you have to give people what they truly deserve. Yes.
My baby, my baby. Mama?
What are you doing here?
Let me go straight to the point. I'm here to tell you that I'll be traveling to the city by next week. So I came
to tell you that I want you to be my wife. And you see, I want to just try and see maybe I can do small thing now. You understand? Then when I now go to the city where Dopotaya put the money, I will not come back. I do the real thing. You have to go over. And see, you see this your Baham. I mean, if I'm kill you, I don't want it to be a waste. Yes. And you see, I don't want any other person to tamper with my property.
Just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth, Nandi. I can see that you're already raving, obviously. But you know what? I'll give you a chance. Turn around and leave my father's compound. Get out now.
See, I'm here to...
I say leave this place. Mama.
Almost yes, so. Mocha phone.
Did you just carry that your disgusting hand to hit my buttocks?
No, I touched. I mean, foam. I forgot feeling it.
My daughter, avoid him. Just ignore him. Bien? C'est pas quoi. Si tu lui dis c'est pas quoi, et pourquoi tu veux No, don't allow you to just jump down from this place now.
Mama, just relax. Get out. Mama, relax. Let me handle this.
I will lay a curse on you.
Mama, can you calm down? I know I have made a vow that I will never fight again, but at times, you just allow the Holy Spirit take its course. Even the Holy Spirit will forgive me. Holy Spirit, permission to just this is the money for the last chapter. Take your money. That's the money in
This one will summon us this object. I hope there is no trouble.
Oh no, never is none about brother. My son, Jidenna, is the next in line to sit on the throne of our fathers. And in line with our tradition, we cannot say it is not yet good for him to choose a bride. I know your daughter will ripe for marriage. Mazobi, I know your daughter just graduated from the prestigious University of Leeds. It will be bad idea if my son comes for a hand in marriage.
Your Highness, yes, you are right. My daughter just graduated. Yes. But I want her to start working so that she can be getting money. She's not ready to marry now, Your Highness. She's not ready. I'm sorry.
Mazi Madam. But your daughter, I know, she was working with a bank.
Point of correction. My daughter is not yet through with school. And marriage is a good thing. Marriage is a good thing. I would have loved her to get married. But she has not finished school. I would have considered.
But I hope you understand that I don't want my son to go outside this cycle.
Of course.
And you?
Your Majesty, what you said is a very good thing. But, you know, my daughter got a call from somewhere, and I don't think she will be available because she said I should not call her to the village for some time.
Enough! Enough! I cannot be made jest of this way and still sit here like nothing happened. Eka!
Up here.
Please take me away from here. I can't be mocked in this battle.
left us like this. Let us go and find that problem. Let us go to them.
Son. My son.
Mother.
You really need to calm down. Huh?
You will definitely find a maiden that will love you for who you are. Okay? Please. You need to calm your nerves.
What are you looking at? How long have you been standing here? My friend, get out. Get out from here.
Yes? What are you doing here?
I came to find out if the prince needs anything.
He doesn't. Now leave. Leave!
Like I said, son, you need to calm your nerves, okay? Everything will be fine. Okay?
Alright, I've heard you, Mom.
Sorry, son.
I want all of you to leave the palace right now.
Your Majesty. But I mean, it's not over yet.
I said get out!
You should get out. Get out. Let's conclude the business. Your Majesty. Just for you to
get out!
What's so urgent that you brought me out here?
I saw Chinelo eavesdropping at the prince and queen's conversation not quite long.
I told you that that girl was in this palace for a mission. But you thought I was lying.
I believe you now.
You know, after our last conversation, I said I was going to mind my business. But now I've seen that something is going on here. I will try to find out what it is.
How do we find out?
Leave it to me. Leave it to me.
I'm telling you, I have never seen the king this angry before. Eh? Hey, Mazobi, it's your fault. If you have allowed your daughter to marry the prince, all these things wouldn't have happened.
You're a very stupid man.
Omu?
Yes, you're a very stupid man. See, it's like something is wrong with you. Why don't you agree for your daughter to marry the prince? Are you a fool?
Hey! You both should stop arguing like children. Stop arguing like children.
You know what? See, let me tell the both of you.
What concerns me most is the way and manner the king shouted angrily at Onowu. So you people did not see that? Eh? You did not see it? That the way he shouted at Onowu, it shocked me deep into my bone marrow. Hey!
You are right, too.
You are here arguing like children.
That's true. Since my life on that palace, I have never seen the king speak to Onowu in that manner. Something is wrong somewhere.
Yes.
Something is wrong somewhere.
That means that what we did back there really hurt the king.
Thank the gods.
You both.
No. The king.
Thank the gods. Speak to Onowu on that manner.
Hey!
Mbana,
I know I'm supposed to give you a complete signed document, but it is yet to be signed. Just exercise patience. We have a very important traditional exercise at the palace, and the king is yet to sign it. Don't worry, just give me till next tomorrow. You get those signed documents. Oh, you trust me. No, I am the traditional prime minister. Extraordinary, plenipotentiary. Without me, nothing works there. Just, please, you will get it. Thank you.
Are you a well-trained maiden of this land? Are you beautiful? Can you cook? Then this announcement is for you. Prince Jidena has decided to choose a bride. So all eligible maidens are advised to come to the palace in the next 2 market days to showcase themselves. Who knows? You never can tell who the chosen one will be.
This is so funny. So wait, the prince couldn't choose a bride when he was whole, when he was complete. Now that he's blind, now that he's incomplete, he wants to choose a bride. I can never be part of this nonsense, and I will never be. And by the way, I already have a boyfriend. Namdi, my baby.
Namdi.
Yes.
Okay, I wouldn't love to end up with a handicapped man, but I will give it a try because he's wealthy. Of course, I am going for the money.
Suits you, please.
Well, I, on the other hand, I would.
Shut up!
Rubbish.
Let's go.
Are you a well-trained maiden of this land? Are you beautiful? Can you cook? Then this opportunity is for you. Prince Jidena has decided to choose a bride. So all eligible maidens are advised to come to the palace in the next 2 market days and showcase themselves. You never can tell who the chosen one will be.
Hello, my daughter. Please come home. I heard that the prince wants to get married. My daughter, please come home. Maybe you will be the chosen one. Mama, why are you giving me bombastic side eye? What is it? Fine, say what's on your mind. You didn't hear that. Hear what? I did not hear anything. What do you want me to hear? Neither did I give birth to a deaf child. Mama, please stop. Please, I am not interested in getting married to the prince. Please, the prince is a kind and a loving man. Good and fine for him. Any other maiden in this village will be lucky to have him. Oh, please, leave me out of it, okay? I am not interested.
But not you. No, not you. Hebron one. No. Look, you deserve something good and lovely. Huh? Don't allow Onodwa, our situation, to make you underestimate yourself. Biko, please. Huh?
Mama, has Mama Ibuka giving you money?
She said later.
Later. Maybe I'll just go inside the market. Let me collect money from the other people that are still owing us at once.
Namdi! Namdi! Oh, Namdi, don't do this now. Let's know that what I'm hearing is true. Who locked his door? Namdi! 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 Namdi, please. Namdi, you cannot leave me. Namdi! Namdi, please. This can't be true. He's also locked. No, this is not true. This cannot happen. Nandi cannot just leave me. No, it's not possible. Nandi! Nandi! Nandi, please, you cannot leave me. Nandi! No. Stop crying.
It's okay.
It's okay. Stop
No, it's not
crying.
okay.
He will come back.
It's not okay.
He will come back to you.
I loved him. I gave him all. I gave him everything.
Yes, it's true.
I loved him with all in me. I wanted him so badly.
Sorry.
No.
He will come back. Stop
Just
crying.
He just left. No, he's not.
Maybe he has his reason.
No, that's not reason.
Ego, put yourself together.
Put yourself together. Stop crying. He will come back. He will come back to you.
Everything about this construction has been exhausted. The only thing that is remaining is for you to sign this document so that they will kickstart the construction. That's all.
Father, have you properly gone through the documents you are required to sign?
Prince Ejenebana, are you doubting me? You are sounding as if you are doubting me. I'm your father's right-hand man. In fact, I am the patrol which your father is using to drive in the Anioba kingdom. You know, they are very difficult people. Without me, your father cannot function properly. So don't doubt me.
No. Are you trying to tell me that my father has been a feeble king who relies on you to make his decisions?
Yeah, that's not his assumption.
Exactly. You are just in spirit. You have said it. You have said it too.
No. How much are they willing to pay?
Please, it is not necessary. I have tidied up everything. In fact, I have everything under my firm control. As we speak now, in fact, everything has been settled. Don't bother yourself.
So, I trust the Noah so much. Noah is not just a man that talks anyhow. He's a man of wisdom. To say the least. I don't know what would have become of this kingdom if Onowu is not in the picture. I do not need to, checkmate what to sign or what not to sign, as long as it's coming from him. The document.
Yes.
So I will apply my signature.
Sign that? Yeah.
Ebuka, please. Get the car ready. I need to visit someone immediately.
Do not, Amanda.
Yes.
Yeah, do not.
Yes, I said
Yes.
do not.
Amanda, don't touch me. Amanda, avoid me. Amanda, avoid me.
Amanda, please. That's not the fact.
What have you done? You kill her? Amanda! Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, pick up. Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, don't do this to me. Amanda.
What is...
Please,
What is going on here? Amanda and Amanda on the ground. What happened to them? I don't know. Hey, see blood. Amanda is not moving. Ebuka, please assist them.
Amanda.
Ebuka, are you okay?
I'm fine.
I hope my son is safe wherever he is.
Ebuka is not picking my call either. If I see Jidenna, I am going to discipline him to the last. God!
Your Highness!
Take other guards into the kingdom in search of my son. Do not return to this kingdom until my son is found.
Yes, Your Highness!
Take other guards with you, Nikampu!
Yes, Your Highness! God! God!
My prince, your parents are still calling. Huh? I think you should take their call and tell them where you are. Yeah? I'm sure they are sick, worried about you now. Please.
I do not want them to know where I am. Because if they do, they will come here and create a scene. And I do not want that.
Okay. Look. But at least go to the palace, freshen up, change these clothes. You've been wearing it for a while. Yeah, please.
Ebuka, there will be no time for that. I have to wait till the doctor comes.
Okay, all right. Okay.
DPO, I'm not fine. I am calling to report the sudden disappearance of my son, Jidena. Please, I want the police to conduct search party in favor of him. Please, DPO, I don't want that such procedure. All I need is a search party to be conducted. It's as a matter of urgency.
My king, what did he say?
Please, I need to think.
I have good news for you. Papa, the prince is missing. The whole palace has been in confusion since then. The prince is missing. They have been calling his phone and the chief guard, and he's been reaching. Okay. So, Papa, when are the builders bringing the money? Why are they paying? It's you. That is fine. So, Papa, very soon we'll be rich. Yes. Okay. Papa, I'm going back.
How is awake?
My prince.
You alright? Mama, you're awake?
Yes.
Ebuka, go and get the doctor immediately, please. Fast, Ebuka!
Where is my daughter, man? Where is she?
Mama, she's fine, okay? Mama, how are you feeling?
Just the pains all over my body. My prince, are you okay? I see you are lost in thoughts.
Mama, I'm fine, okay? Fine.
Okay, it's my daughter. Amanda, I hope she's okay.
Yes, Mama, she's fine. Mama, please, you need to relax, okay? Please, you need to relax, okay? The doctor is coming. You don't need to stress yourself. Everything will be alright.
Okay. My prince, thank you very much. I don't know what I and my daughter would have done without you.
It's fine. Thank you. Mama, you need to relax and rest, okay? Please just relax yourself, okay? The doctor is coming.
I don't know how this is going
it, but I think Chinelo is responsible for the prince's disappearance. How do you mean? She seems to know everything about this palace, every private thing about this palace. For example, she even knew the prince was coming back to Nigeria even before the Trial Choir announced it.
Are you sure about this?
I'm not sure, but don't worry. We are going to find out. We are here now. Find out. My darling girl. My dear, let me attend to the phone. I said I'll finish it. You want to allow.
What are you doing here? You receive a word that you and the prince are here. You need to get the prince so that we can get back to the palace at once.
No. It's not possible. Not possible.
The king instructed that we shouldn't come back to the palace until the prince is being found.
And the prince instructed you go back to the palace and tell the king you intercepted us by the village road while we were on transit heading for an emergency. Did you hear that?
Okay.
Now leave.
I'll do that.
Go.
Ebuka.
My prince.
What did you tell them?
Exactly what you told me.
Good.
My prince. Please, you have done more than enough. You have paid our hospital bills. Please, my son. I think you should go home. Please go home so that your parents will stop being worried about your whereabouts. Oh, no. You go.
Mama, I still have one more thing to solve.
Jeez.
You mean you saw them and you allowed them slip through your fingers? Are you going bananas?
We are sorry, my king.
You're sorry? Did you hear that? It is obvious that these fools are eating too much food in this palace.
My king, he said he needed to attend an emergency situation.
And you allow him do that? He told you that and you allow him? Oh, I am going to skin both of you alive, including those who are still on their way. I'll skin all of you alive.
We are sorry, my king.
Shut up! Now get out before I skin your life.
I hope my son is safe wherever he is, so that my mind can be settled.
At least we heard that he is okay with Ebuka. Trust me when I say I'm going to fix this. I am not going to rest until my son returns. Trust me.
Mama, good afternoon. My prince, good afternoon.
Doctor, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. My prince, the parent has already called me. They're asking of your whereabouts. And I told them I know nothing about it. So, you know how risky this is. You need to do something, please. You know I could lose my license.
Doctor, I'm really sorry about that. I promise you I will make sure nothing goes wrong. Please.
Please just try and do something, okay?
This is
very, very risky.
Doctor, where's my daughter?
She's fine. She will regain consciousness later today. So you don't need to worry, okay? Everything is taken care of.
My prince, please, pick your phone and call your parents. So that they will stop getting worried about your whereabouts. Oh, no. Please, my prince, call them. Pick your phone.
Hello? Father, how are you? And how is mother? Father, I'm so sorry I kept you guys worried. I had an emergency to attend to. Please forgive me, Father. Yes, I seized Ebuka's phone. Father, I'll be coming home today. Alright, Father, thank you.
Your Majesty, I told you. I told you there is no cause for alarm, but you didn't believe me.
You know he's my only son, and the next in line to sit on the throne of my forefathers.
It's fine. So I will have to call my boys to stop the search party for him.
Nice. I will surely send for you.
Thank you very much. I beg to take my leave.
As your duty goes.
Thank you.
That's good.
Yes, it is.
Is he still there?
No, he's got up. He's gone.
Why is all this happening now? Why now that I'm in love with this girl? Oh God, what is going on?
So the place is finally back. I think now is my chance. I'll take my chances.
Why is this happy?
Because the prince is back. At least the day for him to choose a bride will not be postponed.
So you think this is a Nollywood movie where the prince gets to choose the palace maiden, not minding her low status? It's not part of it, this is reality. By tomorrow, you'll be standing and clapping for the chosen maiden, okay?
Watch me become the queen of this kingdom. Fine girl like you. You will see, don't worry.
In your wildest dream.
Just do.
Welcome to you all. Welcome the beautiful ladies of India and Omaki. And welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. We are here today because the prince will choose among you who will be the future queen of India and Omaki. So without wasting much of your time, let me ask the prince to choose from among these beautiful ladies. Prince?
My son, the beautiful maidens of this kingdom are here to showcase themselves to you. I know you can see them. I will make the choice for you. And I know you trust me to make the right choice.
Mother.
Yes, my son.
I am sorry because my heart belongs somewhere else. Ebuka. Yeah. Take me away from here.
Jidana, where are you going?
Son,
please.
Son.
What can I do? Have you seen it? Oh, beautiful maidens of India and Normal Kingdom. We are so sorry. Some days are like that. Just bear with us. Bear with us. Hi.
All my life, I've never been embarrassed like this.
My dear, you can't say that again. Imagine how that prince treated us as if we are piece of useless furniture.
I have never been embarrassed in my entire life the way that prince did. Someone that I wanted to manage, is telling us that he has someone already. How? Like, who would want to even manage someone like him? A blind bat? Huh? Someone that cannot see.
I don't blame him. I don't.
That's his business though. Me, I must be royalty. Whether by charm or by gun. Yes.
He's royalty. I must be royalty.
By what? Why laughing? Why guys laughing? Why laughing?
I'm right. With royalty.
Madam, I'm here. Ndo. Sorry, Ndo.
Yeah.
Just calm down. Oh, calm down. Yeah, you got into fight with the Ego and Ndidi. And I tried separating you guys. I fell down and broke my arm.
Oh, Mama, who are these people you mentioned?
Ego and Ndidi. Those village rascals that always bully you. You mean you can't remember them? Don't worry. They are not important now. What is important is that the priest came to our rescue and he brought us to the hospital.
Ajamadu, ibiago bilu aza, kimere joyi, ilokwa sokwa aza. Ajoni, ibiago bilu aza, kimere joyi, ilokwa sokwa aza. Ebere madu anebe kwagino, anemi madu anebe kwagino. Ebere madu anebe kwagino.
Amanda. Sorry.
Oh, Ma.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Yes. Yes, I'm fine.
Sorry. What?
Thank you, Mama.
Ndo. You'll be fine.
Oh, Mama. I think I remember him now. He was wearing a blue outfit, right?
Exactly, my daughter. Exactly, Iji.
Oh, he's such a kind-hearted soul. Saving someone he barely knows.
Amanda.
Oh, my friends.
My prince. She's sick.
Amanda.
It's okay. Take it easy, Amanda. Why you? Easy, go.
It's okay, My prince.
Amanda, how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Amanda, I'm so sorry for what happened. I promise you'll be fine, okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Amanda.
I love you, my prince.
I love you too, Amanda. Where have you been all my life?
My prince.
Amanda.
Welcome.
Mama.
Please help him sit in the bed. Please, just manage.
Thank you, Mama. Amanda.
Yes, my prince.
You awake?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, my prince, for helping a total stranger. You didn't have to, but you did anyway. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am glad I could help. Amanda.
My prince.
You are no longer a stranger to me. I want you to know that. Oh, Mama, how are you?
My prince, I'm fine. My prince, today is supposed to be the contest day. And you are here. Why?
Mama, I did not choose anyone because my heart belongs somewhere else.
Never! I'd rather die than to watch this happen. You left all the beautiful women here from this kingdom for someone suffering from memory loss? An amnesia patient. Excuse me.
Father, she has selective amnesia. She does not entirely forget everything. Mother, please.
Oh, don't you dare mother me. Need I remind you, Jidena, that you are blind. And what you need a wife for is somebody who will assist you. Not another liability. Not a mentally stable woman. I'm not a mad woman. Keep quiet, I'm still talking.
I won't sit down here and allow you guys insult my wife to be. It is not possible. I won't.
What did I hear you say? Your wife. Who made her your wife? I shall never give you my blessings.
Listen to me, Jidena. This is not all about your feelings. This is a decision that you have taken, and it will mar the entire feature of this kingdom if it's not on check.
Father, she will be fine. She only needs to be flown abroad for surgery.
Not at my watch.
Father, please.
Never! Ebuka! Ebuka!
Papa, you remember when the prince said, or rather made it public, that he has found himself a wife?
Of course, he said it publicly. On that day, he's supposed to choose a maiden.
The maiden he found has amnesia.
Amnesia?
Memory loss. That means she does not remember anything about herself.
That's what fits him. Physically challenged couples.
And mentally challenged.
And mentally challenged. The other one will be walking somehow, the other one will be walking blind. It fits them. That's what they bargained for. Very good. But who is that maiden?
I don't know. He didn't say. And I don't care. The only thing I care about now
is that those people that bought land, they have paid you. Eh? Papa, they have given you money. And since that time, it is only 350,000 that you have given me. So where is the rest? Eh, Papa, tell me how need I need money.
The only problem your generation, the only problem you people have is that you are impatient. Eh? Very, very impatient. Remember they paid just 150 million into my account. But the rest, they paid it to the community account. And they know the purpose of that money they paid. I will use it to bribe the villagers, everybody, including in this year. Bribe them so that they will support me in my bid to become the Igwe. And you know what it means if I become Igwe. What you stand
Papa, John, did you listen to yourself? Did you see the way you shaped your mouth and said that 150 million is small money? Do you know how much 150 million is? In fact, Papa, so 150 million men could women account right now. Do you know what it means? It means you are now a millionaire. Hey, Papa Fajo! So, Papa, see, if not for the plans that we have, why should I still be in that palace, slaving away my life, when my father is now a millionaire? I should be at home. No one been America. Now for what? As a millionaire.
It is not yet time. When today, just exercise patience. Stop raising your voice. You know who your mother is. Stop raising your voice. Just let us arrange it. You know, the money we are talking about is in the bank. It's not with me right now. And you know, these bank people are so difficult. To bring out money from bank these days is not easy.
It's true. It's true, I understand, Papa. So, Bank, I know where you keep all those ones that you keep under the mattress. Let me go and take from them. When you settle with the bank, you can replace it.
Don't worry. Don't go. Don't go. Your mother, if she knows where that money is, there will be problems.
You're welcome. Welcome, my queen. I wasn't expecting you.
And why would he be expecting me when you and this witch you call a daughter has bewitched my son?
I beg your pardon, my queen. What are you talking about?
Don't you dare pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about, you ungrateful wretch. When you went crippled, I single-handedly paid your bills to stop this leg from rotting. I even got you this wheelchair you're sitting on. And when your husband died, the royal household foot his burial expenses. And this is how you want to pay me back? By forcing your daughter, who has a memory loss, on my son.
Ma, calm down.
Will you shut up your mouth?
My queen, please. My daughter does not have memory loss.
Jiden haven't told you yet. Oh.
Doctor, I tried stopping her, but she refused.
Don't worry, I'll take it from her. Okay, sir. Greetings, my queen.
Doctor, so this is where my son has been. And you pretended not to know anything about his whereabouts.
I've been at the emergency ward.
You will hear from me.
I'm so sorry.
And as for you, and this your daughter, this witch here, stay away from my family.
Please, you have to take this too because of your...
I said, stay away from my family. Get out of my sight!
Doctor, is it true that my daughter has memory loss?
I think with the wounds she sustained, really.
Mama, why was she screaming like that?
When were you going to tell me that my daughter has memory loss? When?
My mother told you. I learned she was here.
That doesn't answer my question.
Mama, we are making arrangements to fly her abroad for the surgery. Please, just calm down, okay? I promise you everything will be alright. Doctor, before coming here, I made a transfer of 10 million naira to the hospital account, even though you asked for 6.5 million naira. Doctor, do everything humanly possible for you to save her.
It's okay.
Doctor, if anything happens to her, I promise you, there will be no need for you to leave as well, Doctor.
It's okay. It's okay. She will be fine. Don't worry. She will be fine. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please just take him to the reception, okay?
Ibuka,
Let's go, please.
take me home.
You heard him. He's the prince of this land. Just
Mama, you don't need to worry, okay? I'll send you a consent form to fill for her surgery immediately she's flown abroad, okay? So you just take it easy. She'll be fine, okay? Don't worry. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. She'll be fine. She'll be fine, don't worry.
Mother.
Yes.
I heard you went to the hospital to confront Amanda and her mother. Why would you do such a thing, Mother? Why?
Son, who are you to question my actions? Listen, you might be the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom, but I gave birth to you. I carried you in my womb, and you sucked my breast. Therefore, I deserve your respect.
Then end it, Mother. Stop harassing and intimidating them because you know they are vulnerable. This is not nice, Mother.
Will you shut your mouth? I will not have you shut my wife and I keep quiet. Are you going bananas?
Father, it is obvious that you are not fit to rule this great kingdom. Father, I want to tell you something. You will not sink this great kingdom of India and your people, Father. It will not happen. Not when I'm alive. Ebuka, take me in, please.
One more stunt from this boy and I will disown him. One more stunt from this boy and I will disown him.
Anyway. one day you go answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day you go answer my prayers. I don't fall in love, it was not love. I don't see my love, it was not my heart. Mama boy, when this not love. Papa boy, when this not love. Now he might go marry. Only go people, she go marry. Only go money. Mama boy, when this not love. Papa boy, when this not love. Oh Lord, bless me.
So, from here all the way down there, close to one bamboo tree. Yes, this is the place. Oh, it's fenced already. Remember, the king asked for the land to be fenced right round.
Yes, I'm aware. He told me about it.
Oh, okay.
Ebuka, this is the land for the project, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Good. And it's fully fenced.
Yeah, right round. Right round.
I can see it's fully fenced.
Right round. Okay, just remove it. And again, a big, and what's the tree called? I don't know, close to the fence.
Over there?
Yes, they have to take it out. Easy.
Okay. This is great.
Yes.
I don't fall in love. It was not love. I don't say my love. It was not my heart. Mama boy, when he wear this not love. Papa boy, when he wear this not love. Now he might go marry. Only go people. She might go marry. Only go money. Mama boy, when he wear
Hello?
this not love.
Yes, I am there. All right.
That's why I put all my trust in him. That's why I put all my hope in him. Oh God, I know that one day you will answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day you will answer my prayers. I don't fall in love. It was not love. I don't say I love. It was not my heart. Mama boy, when he wear this not love. Papa boy, when he wear this not love. Now he might go marry. Only go people. She might go marry. Only go money. Mama boy, when he wear this not love. Papa boy, when he wear this not love.
Nem, what was that you said you would tell me?
Papa, I did my findings. And it turned out that the woman the prince intends to marry is Amanda.
What are you talking about?
Amanda is the woman behind the veil that lost her memory. In fact, I heard the prince has sent her abroad for head surgery. So as it stands now, Amanda is going to be the next queen of this land.
Never. It will never happen. In fact, it can only happen over my dead body.
Eh? So, what do you want to do?
I will start from her mother. I made her cripple before. Allowed her a chance to live. But I can see she doesn't deserve it. Really why I did not kill her when I had the chance. Eh? But this time, I won't make such a mistake again. She must pay dearly for this. I won't allow her to live.
So bad. Papa. Where did Mama go?
Ask her about another person. Allow that woman. Always she's jumping from one crusade to another. She must have gone to crusade. Always worshiping this white man God.
Oh Lord, bless me with the bone of my bone. Oh Lord, bless me with the flesh of my flesh. Someone that I will love, someone that will love me the way I am. My bestie, my best friend, my soulmate, yo, Chimo. I don't fall in love, it's not love. I don't see my lover, it's not my heart. My boy, I don't fall in love, it's not love. I don't see my lover, it's not my heart. My boy, when it's not love. My boy, when it's not love. Now he might go marry. Only go people. She go marry. Only go money. My boy, when it's not love. My boy, when it's not love. I know it will be like miracle. I'm no God be called everywhere. Dear Chineke gave more. That's why I put all my trust in Him. That's why I put all my hope. Oh God, I know that one day You will answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day You will answer my prayers. I don't fall in love, it's not love. I don't see my lover, it's not my heart. My boy, when it's not love. My boy, when it's not love. Now he might go marry. Only go people. She go marry. Only go money. My boy, when it's not love. My boy, when it's not love. Oh Lord, bless me with the bone of my bone. Oh Lord, bless me with the flesh of my flesh. Someone that I will love, someone that will love me the way I am. My bestie, my best friend, my soulmate, yo, Chimo. I don't fall in love, it's not love. I don't see my lover, it's not my heart. My boy, when it's not love. My boy, when it's not love. Now he might go marry. Only go people. She go marry. Only go money. My boy, when it's not love. My boy, when it's not love.
Is he calling?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Father. Father, I'm not coming back to that palace until I'm done with the reason I came back to this village. Father, it is obvious you have eyes, but you can't see. Father, I understand that you're not the man that I used to know, but your blood flows through my vein. The brave, fearless and upright man that I called my father still lives in me. Father, nobody should bother looking for me, okay? Tell Mom that I'm safe. Thank you. Look at it.
My prince. Ebuka, what is going on? Huh?
Ebuka, you will understand when the time comes. We need to leave immediately.
This way.
Greetings, Doctor. How are you? Wow. Thank God, Doctor. Doctor, thank you so much. I'm so grateful, Doctor. Hi. Thank God. Mama. Mama, why are you shivering now? Mama, are you okay?
My prince, I'm not okay.
What is the problem?
I am not okay at all. The harmattan in that room, is too much. Very cold. Huh? Hey.
Mama, it's the AC now, eh? Mama, my room is just opposite yours. Mama, you should have called my attention or contact the hotel attendants, eh? Where is it, Ebuka safe?
Hey.
And also, Mama, the doctor called me. He said the surgery was successful, Mama.
Huh? The surgery was successful?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm sorry.
Hey.
Mama, I can see you're no more catching cold.
I'm well now. Hey. So everything went well?
Mama, everything went perfectly well, Mama. I'm so happy, Mama. I'm so delighted.
It's good to God. My prince. So when am I seeing my daughter? I've missed her a lot, though. When am I seeing her?
Mama, she'll be coming back next week. Yes.
Hey, thank you very much. Hey, I'm strong now. Mama,
I'll call you. He'll come turn off the AC for you, okay? Mama, your phone, there is no harmattan.
It's good. Hey, but I'm strong.
Yes, who is that?
Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen. I came to let you and the queen know that food is ready and served.
Get out!
Sorry, sir.
My love,
My brains.
I'm so happy the surgery was successful.
Well, it's disappointing and heart-wrenching that you cannot see how beautiful your wife-to-be looks like.
I know I can't see how beautiful you are, but I can feel you, my love. We used to play around the palace.
I'm surprised you remember all of that.
Yes, I do. Amanda.
My friends.
You know you're the reason I came back to Nigeria.
Really?
Yes. Amanda, since you came into my life, you filled my life with joy and happiness. I know the reason you stayed my wife was to get my attention.
Oh my God.
I noticed it. Amanda.
My prince.
It's a pity that we can't play around. We can't have a normal life like other couples. Because I'm blind.
Come on. That shouldn't be a problem. You're just perfect for me. Your heart is perfect for me. Okay? And I love you.
I love you so much. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Your Highness, do you know we're here to see you?
Get out.
Sorry, Your Highness. Should I let you in?
Now back like a cock. Go to the palace and lock yourself in there until I say otherwise.
Yes, Your Highness.
Back like a dog!
Ebuka, please help me call my father.
Okay.
Greetings, father. I'm fine. And how are you, father? Father, please, I want you to make preparations for me. I'll be coming home with my bride tomorrow. Yes, father. And I'm so sorry for staying away for so long. Yes. All right, thank you very much. Okay.
Good. My prince, you know it's been a long day. So I'll be in my room.
Okay, Buka. Okay, it's fine.
The phone.
Okay.
Good day, my prince.
Okay, Buka.
My love.
Hey, baby.
Okay.
I'm fine, my darling. Are you okay?
Yes. But my prince, it's becoming scary. I mean, your absence in the palace. I know your parents think you're safe, but I feel your absence from the palace is really worrisome to them. Don't you think it's time to return to the palace?
My love.
My prince.
The time is ripe. This is the right time. Okay?
Okay. Oh. Mama? Oh my prince. It's my mother.
Mama, how are you?
Fine. Mama. I have missed you, Mama. My prince.
Greetings, Mama. Mama, how are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, Mama. I hope you're feeling better now.
I'm strong. I'm strong. I'm strong. I have missed you so much. I came by your room earlier, but you were fast asleep, so I didn't want to disturb you.
My dear, I felt your presence. So I wake up to come and see my beautiful daughter.
Oh, Mama, you do not look bad yourself. All thanks to our future king, who has been taking really good care of me. Mama, my prince.
Mama, how are you feeling?
I'm fine. I'm good. And you?
Mama, I'm fine, as you can see.
Mama, I have missed you so much.
I miss you too, my angel. I miss you too. Look at how beautiful you are.
Mama, I could say the same for you. You look really beautiful.
You make arrangements to meet the town crier to announce the arrival of the prince and his bride. I don't think we have any time left. Yes.
It will not work. You see, you should have given me a pre-notice so that I will prepare for the ceremony.
Will you keep your mouth shut? How dare you truncate my orders? Next time, when you try this, I'll forget that you know who and punish you severely.
What I am the one.
Will I shut up and get out and go to the town crier immediately? No, get out now. Also get up.
The pigeon has come to roost.
Hey.
What's going on? Does it mean that the king has suddenly grown immune to my charms? I can't remember the last time the king stood against me the way he did today. Or could it be that the charm has expired? It is not possible because he said the charm is for eternity.
Ajọ mmadụ ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ nke mere ju onye ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ajọ onye ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ nke mere ju onye ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ebere mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi alemi mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi ebere mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi all this evil you are doing, we come back to you. Makanobumu, nesina mala, imakwanokwebe, nesina bala, hagadi wanyi jimbo, abandi mochi. matakwa na ọchị na-akwa ndị mmụọ bụ ofu ife onye mechere bụ isi ebuka na-erie ife mechere bụrụ wave of royalty you want to destroy the royalty you want to kill to have your way you are too greedy no aja mmadụ ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ nke mere ji onye ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ aja onye ịbịagokwa ilu ọzọ.
Evil man, what are you planning again? I know that whatever thing that is bothering you like this must be great for it to scatter you this way. I wish you can see, just see yourself. And I say, Madu wepa aka na njo oju. If you go near, no peace for the wicked. Okwezigo okuku. Ngwana. Kanga fugo di munye di mu. Whatever thing you plan is on your head. See how you eat. Just look at how you are.
Okosisi. Okosisi. The mighty tree that makes a forest. The only consuming fire that consumes the flames. The mighty, mightier than the mighty. I come before you once again, and I bow and tremble. Okosisi, the king is beginning to regain his senses. Go, make him loyal to me. I want every word that I speak to become a law into his ears. Go, Sisi. Go. 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 Go, Sisi, because I know. Go. Go. Go, Sisi. It is me. Please go. Go.
Ajamado. Ibiago wilu aza. Nkimere juonyi. Ilokwasakwa aza. Ajonyi. Ibiago wilu aza. Nkimere juonyi. I don't fall in love. It was not love. It was. Don't say I love. It was. It's not my heart. It was. Mama boy, when it's not love. Papa boy, when it's not love. Now he might go marry. It was. Only go people. It was. She might go marry. It was. I'm only go munaba. It was. Mama boy, when it's not love. Papa boy, when it's not love. I know it will be like miracle. I'm not a born, no God, they call me. Iya Chineke ga-emere m. That's why I put all my trust in Him. That's why I put all my hope in Him. Oh God, I know that one day You will answer my prayers. Oh God, I know that one day You will answer my prayers.
Mama, calm down. Use the brakes. So, what is the meaning of this? What is she doing here? So, what are they doing here?
Father, Mother, I am sorry for everything. I know I haven't made this past few weeks a smooth one for the both of you. Father, everything I'm doing is for the betterment of this great kingdom. Guard!
My prince.
Lock the gate.
Hey.
Yes, my prince.
Is everything alright?
My people, I came back to this kingdom for 2 reasons. Firstly, to find a wife for myself.
Hey, that is a good one. Oh. Hey.
And secondly, to expose and fish out the bad eggs that have been disturbing this kingdom, causing problems in this great kingdom of ours. Onowu, the bead you are wearing, what is it for?
Fancy no. Fancy? You jump man.
Onowu, I want you to throw that bead against the ground.
Yes. Makawai. Give me the medal.
No, we do it now.
Look, this bead was given to me in my church. How can I throw it? It's not possible.
What is this for?
I wonder, is it because I'm standing here with you people? This is, I hate embarrassment and I don't like it. I'm leaving. Oh
no.
Guards!
Oh no!
Guards!
Oh no, go back.
Wait. No, give up!
Yes. Remove it.
Back! It's my church that gave it to me.
Son, are you okay?
Father, I know what I'm doing, okay?
Hey! Hey!
Onowu, will confess now before it's too late.
Papa, hi. Papa, please confess. Confess.
Why will I confess?
So that all these things will end. Yeah? Confess.
It's because of you, because of my daughter. Because we are involved, that's why I will confess. Yeah? I sneaked into this palace and hid a charm somewhere in the palace, so that I'll be able to control the king. Yes, whatever I say the king must do. I made the king my mugu. Yes, I killed my older brother, the first Onowu. What? Because I want to inherit that throne. I want to.
You killed my father! Take me here, let me
I even crippled his wife.
No, sir. It has been you all this while. Why? Hello. Hello.
And I've been poisoning the queen. Yes, I've been poisoning the queen through my daughter here. Yes.
Must you say that part?
You want only me to die. All of us, we are in it together. All of us, we must collect. Yes. And not only that, too. Not only that. I made the prince blind. Yes. 2 spiritual means. I did it. Yes. And okay. I've been able to achieve all this.
You call it achievement, eh? You call it achievement? It's an achievement.
Yes, it's an achievement because I've been able to achieve it through the help of Okosisi. Yes, Okosi has been helping me.
How dare you expose me? You coward! Since you cannot keep your mouth shut, I will help you to keep it shut forever.
Hey! Hey! Onyaro!
Eh?
Kosi is down. Kosi is on the ground. Hey! That's him. Hey!
Allow me speak.
Yes, I planned the banishment of Ezemo. Okosisi planned with me, and we banished Ezemo because he has been a stumbling block. I also planned to assassinate Onyinye when I found out that the priest planned to marry the daughter.
Hey.
Yes. Did it. Did it.
Before Kosisi does anything, the gods showed me first. I let the queen and the king's own happen because they are predestined to happen. I saw the blindness sent to the prince and I revised it. I had to warn him.
What do you want from me?
Prince Jidena of Nollywood Kingdom. The eagle have finally landed, not to catch a prey or kill it, but to defend it from the claws of its predators.
Who are you? I remember the Ezemo of my kingdom.
The sincerity and allegiance and spirituality of Nollywood Kingdom has been compromised, and it sent forth blindness to you. But I neutralized it before it could get to you. You need to act blind until the prophecy is completed, and your parents should not know about this. Until then, you will know.
My son! Jidena! You mean you can see? You can see me?
Mother, I could see you all this while.
Hey! Hey! What am I wearing?
Mother, you're wearing a lace and you have a bead.
May the gods be praised! May the gods be praised! My son! Oh my God!
Mother, I can see. I was never blind.
Praise be to the gods! Hey!
Because of our land.
Thank you.
Hey.
Amanda, my love, I've always seen how beautiful and gorgeous you are. I am sorry that I lied. I had to. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. And as for you, the so-called Onowu, you sold the land for 650 million and kept 150 million to yourself. What you did not know that the document the king signed was fake. The alert you received was a fake transfer.
Hey, what's not fake alert? Fake alert.
Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. You word you know me. Ayayaya oh iwa oh onu majuru hobi oh ayayaya oh onu ma oh you word you know me. Ayayaya oh iwa oh onu majuru hobi oh ayayaya oh onu ma oh ochi juru hoise. this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nani siezea. They are here to destroy and kill.
Hey!
You planned on bribing everyone and to dethrone my father, the king of this great kingdom. Onowu, I promise you, you will pay for all the crimes you've committed.
How can I pay when you are sending fake alert to me now? It's not fair.
So there was no money.
That was bad. Memo Joro.
There was no money.
The wages of sin is catastrophic. It's death.
Mama, are you okay?
I felt something on my leg. Mama, just relax. Calm down. Mama, please just sit.
Mama.
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 Oh my God. Hey. Mama, you're standing.
Mama, you're standing. Mama.
We are sorry for the kind of punishment meted against you in the recent past. Today, you have been reinstated as the Ezemo of this kingdom.
You're under arrest for the attempted murder of the future queen of this kingdom. Move it.
Me?
Move it now.
I don't fall in love. It was not love. I don't see my lover. It was not my heart. It was
Father. Mother, I present to you my wife, the lady I want to spend the rest of my life with.
If you move, I'll shoot. Move. I will shoot.
Snake in the green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me? This life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nani They are here to destroy and kill. Our family war. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free.